The Vancouver Canucks have recently returned 3 players to the Utica Comets over the past few days. Nikolai Goldobin, Zach McEwen, and Michael DiPietro are all now back in Utica after stints in the National Hockey League. And while getting these players back helps bolster the Comets roster, head coach Trent Cull says having so many good players forces him to make some hard decisions regarding playing time.
That's great. We'd love to have that as opposed to just whoever we have is playing. So, but that being said, I think it's going to be more accountable on the players. They're playing well one night, they're going to get more of a lion's share of the ice time, you know, and that's so it's great having that guys kind of a little bit of a competitive atmosphere with each other.
The Comets have been playing well recently, even without some of their key players. Utica's earned 4 points over its last 3 games. The Comets are back on the ice tomorrow night at home against the Toronto Marlies at 7 p.m.